we are in the face of possibly the biggest crisis that we have ever faced in terms of climate change, biodiversity loss, and how that could affect the balance of everything. The idea here is to have this blueprint to start a big discussion. People have been talking that we need to sequester carbon, we need to protect the forest because of carbon. At the same time, we saw that there are many scientists talking about the needs, the importance of the protection and conservation of biodiversity, but not many are talking about how is that we can do both. So this app was an attempt, a blueprint, so we can start this kind of conversation. How is that we can do both at once? The global safety net is a combination of many layers or maps that have been gathered among different institutions and scientists around the globe. And then by this, we produce this big map of the entire planet, showing exactly what are the areas around the globe that we need to protect from here to 2030 in order to stabilize the climate and to protect the biodiversity of the planet. And basically it amounts to 50% of the surface of land area of the planet. Some of those areas, they should be kept kind of intact areas. But most of those areas, they could range from a national park where you can visit to areas where you're allowed to use a certain amount of the resources in a way that you secure the continuation of that forest by managing it. The first question that I always get is this feasible? And I say definitely yes, it's feasible.